This is Jeremiah with Sarkinen Plumbing. I'm doing a sewer scope for the address of 2905 North Killingsworth Street in Portland. We're going from the clean out in the basement out towards the street. And here's your transition from cast iron to concrete. That is a pretty rough joint. Another one. That is a possibility. No, that just looks like it's stuff laying there, because this is connected to the storm system as well, I think. It does look like there are things growing from these joints, though. And that concrete is looking pretty aggregated. And this is the city stub. And there's the city. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull back. Again, here's the transition. You can see on the left-hand side, it's probably a Fernco that's attached there, but it's really the mortar in between the aggregate and the concrete is starting to fail. And I can see that all the way along so far. And then it looks like whether it be failing or whether that's just stuff growing in the sediment that's sitting there. And that's in just about every joint. Okay, we're back in cast iron again. And thank you very much.